the sun slowly rises in the jungle sky, where the lion opens his only good eye. The night was long and like thousands before, where the lion remained the last one to roar. The pack from the river had caught him off guard by the last tree of his million-tree yard. There were 7 of them, he was all alone, led by Daru, claiming to be Veer's clone. The birds took flight from a million trees, and elephants scurried across like bees. For like thousands of days from before, Veer the lion let out his frightening roar. One by one he turned the attack, till a lucky claw caught his back. As he lay bleeding in his own backyard, the old hand rose to slay Daru hard. By midnight Veer was the last one left. The mighty heart knew of his impending death. He found the strength to open one eye, to pray to his last moon in the bleeding sky. The birds took flight from a million trees, and elephants scurried across like bees. For like thousands of days from before, Veer the lion let out his frightening roar. He moved his head to feel the stillness around. The jungle waited for that daily sound, the sound of royalty and unmatched strength, the sound that echoed through the jungle's land.